There's one of those turtles trying to get up on that muck. Now he's swimming weird. You know what? No, he's not. He's just doing his thing. But that's a nice sized painter turtle. That one was about 6 inches in length. His body was, anyway. Let me recast this. Trying to catch one more fish. I don't want to get out of here. That one went over here. See the bobber? Here comes that turtle. Swimming by. Oh wait, no. He's going for my bait. Can't have it, buddy. I'm sorry. Look at him. Sorry, my camera's blurry. He is swimming. He's swimming on his side. I'm trying to figure out why. Here he comes. I feel bad for him. I don't know why he's swimming like that. Look at him go. And there he goes. Now he's swimming fine. Cool little painter turtle. Well, actually, he wasn't little at all. About 7 inches, actually. I lied. But, yeah. Fishing, got people swimming, kayaking. There he is. He's back. You never know what you're going to expect, what you're going to get here. So, I always keep my eye open. I just don't want to catch him. See, what it is there's a bunch of little fish, baby fish, all in here. I think the sunnies had their babies and the bass did as well, and they're hiding up in this muck, and that's where the turtles are staying. But I'll try to catch another panfish, but that turtle was pretty cool.